come along with us to the Cup Noodle Museum in Osaka, where we'll make chicken ramen from scratch, design our own cup noodle flavor, and dive into the fascinating history of instant noodles. Once we arrived, we headed upstairs and were assigned seating numbers. Next, it was time to suit up in aprons, headscarves, which you get to keep, and gloves. We started by mixing wheat flour to form the dough. Then, we kneaded the dough until it reached the perfect consistency. Using a pasta machine, we flattened the dough into thin sheets. Wow! Next, we ran the dough sheets through cutting rollers to create a long, thin strands of noodles. Afterwards, we measured the noodles to fit perfectly into their package. We lightly seasoned the noodles for that signature flavor. The noodles were placed in special molds and deep fried to remove moisture. This gave them the crunchy texture and long shelf life we all love. During each step, we returned to our tables to design the plastic bags for our noodles. Once the noodles were cooled, they were slipped into our decorative bags. As a bonus, we got to snack on leftover crispy noodle bits. And just like that, we made our very own chicken ramen from scratch. But wait, there's more. Let's head downstairs to create our cup noodles. First, we purchased noodle cups from a vending machine for 500 yen. Then, we got creative and spent time coloring and designing our noodle cups. At the station, we cranked a wheel to slide pre-made noodles into the cup. Next, we pick 4 toppings of our choice. We then watch the cups get sealed in plastic.
はい、の下をご覧ください。3、2、1。はい、このようにきれいに蓋がつきました。約150度の熱と圧力によって一瞬で蓋をつけています。はい、このようなブカブカのフィルムどうなるのか、赤いトンネルの中をご覧ください。中では約120度の熱によりブカブカのフィルムがどんどん出ていきます。ください。はい、3、2、1。
Finally, we placed our finished creation into an adorable protective bag. It even doubles as a cute handbag. We wrapped up our visit by exploring the museum and learning the history behind instant noodles. This was such a fun, hands-on experience, and we walked away with a greater appreciation of the art of ramen. Join us in future travels by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.